Let me tell you quick, this video, I am going to show you this up close so you know what it looks like. While I do that, I'm going to tell you about some of those key features, and then if you stick around, I am going to go through the top 3 questions that I get about this watch, and I'll give you the answers. Key features that you want to know about this watch is it is a tank. Literally, it is a tank. It has a 60-day extra long life battery. Now, obviously, 60 days is on standby, but that is incredible, right? It is mil-spec and waterproof down to 50 meters, which is absolutely bar none incredible. It has a 1.43-inch AMOLED always-on display, which is just vibrant and beautiful. It is obviously a fitness watch, so it measures all those normal sports things you want it to measure. I think my key takeaway that I want you to know about this is it is so comfortable. I just love the wristband, the bezel, and the way the watch looks is absolutely beautiful. I mean, it is really a great looking watch. Number 1, is it durable? So I have to be fair and say I can only speak to it. I've only been wearing it for about a week, but I haven't made any dents in it, and I'm pretty rough on things. But this is true mil-spec with dust-proof, waterproof. I mean, waterproof down to 50 meters. That's pretty darn incredible. I know we're not waterproof down to 50 meters. So yeah, it is seriously durable. Question number 2, how is the sports tracking? So I'm not one of those who sits there and goes on like a pedometer or a walk and comes back and says, well, I went 2,453 steps and this says 2,447, so it's crap. I don't know. I don't pay any attention to that. It doesn't matter. I know. I just want to know, like, did I go 2,700 steps, right? Like something like that. Did I make my 10,000 steps in the day? It has, I think it has 143 sports that it automatically picks up. So I just want to be able to play my sports, have it recognize my sports, give me that basic reporting, give me the information that I want to know so that I can kind of control my health and fitness. It does all those things. The final question is, what is this battery life actually like? It has a 480 milliamp hour battery, which is absolutely astounding in its size, shape, and form. I mean, it is still lightweight, although it is metal, it is quality, right? But the battery life is amazing. I do all the things you're not supposed to do, like turn the brightness all the way up. It has a 60-second delay to turn off the display. All the things you're not supposed to do if you want your battery to last a long time, and I still wore it for a good solid week before I needed to charge it. I have no doubt that you could do those 60 days on standby. I'm not sure why you would want to do that, but in any case, basic battery life and usage is absolutely outstanding. Hey, if you have any other questions that I left out, put them in the comments below and we will answer them as best we can. In summary, I'm going to say if there's a guy or somebody you're thinking about getting this for, this is ridiculously sharp and cool looking. I have had more than one person look at it and say, hey, what the heck is that? And be really impressed with it. So I think it is really a solid, I'm going to give this a really solid recommendation. I'm going to say this is absolutely outstanding for what it is. Really amazing. I would highly recommend it. Hope this was helpful. I'll see you next time.